Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing a pink cut crease glitter eye makeup look. So if you want to see how I did this look, then keep watching and remember to click the like and subscribe button if you want to follow the family. In order to prime my eyelids, I'm going to take my collection concealer and put that all over my lid and then blend it in with my Primark concealer brush. I bought a whole new bunch of products from Primark and I'm absolutely in love with the majority of them. But if you want to know what I think is hit or miss in the Primark Nudes collection, then I've got that linked down below. I'm going to set this with a little bit of loose powder, then I'm going to start the eye makeup look with this light beige shade from the Makeup Revolution Ultra 32 palette. And I'm just going to put this in my crease. Using this light pink shade from the same palette, I'll be putting this in my crease as well. I'm going to do wind scribe motions first and then flick it out at the end, creating the perfect base for a cut crease later. Using this dark pink shade, I'm going to put this in the depths of my crease, making sure not to bend this too high up. So now we're going to cut our crease. This may seem tricky, but if you take it slow and on a small brush and follow the crease that your eyelid creates, it will work out fine. And then I'm going to set it with a bit of white powder. Taking this light pink glittery shade, I'm going to be wetting my brush and putting this all over the bit where I put concealer. Using my bottom lash line as a guide and aiming for the end of my eyebrow, I'm going to create a wing. Now for the exciting bit, glitter. So, following the line of the cut crease, I'm going to create a line of glitter. So now, after priming and moisturising, I'm going to take this NYX drop foundation and put it all over my face, and then follow up with some collection concealer, and then I'm going to set this all with some Kat Von D powder. After chiselling out my cheekbones and bronzing up my forehead, I'm going to take this highlighter from the Pro Go palette by Tarte, and it's in the shade Stunner. In order to prepare my lashes for the fake ones, I'm going to coat my top and bottom lashes with the Benefit's They're Real mascara, and then I'm going to put these amazing lashes on top. They're from Primark, girls. They're like £5 and they literally are the best lashes ever. Now I'm going to mix the light pink shade and the dark pink shade and then drag this underneath my waterline to complete the eye makeup look. So now I'm going to finish up with some lip gloss, and we're going to use the NYX in the shade Nude, and then I'm going to define the edges of my lips with a little bit of the lip liner. I didn't want to go too intense with the lips just because I feel like the eyes are already intense enough, but if you are brave enough to go for a bolder lip, then go for it, girl. So this is the finished look. Thank you angels so much for watching, and if you did really enjoy this video, then give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Until next time.